Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the horizon and one vanishing point because that controls perspective. Place the VP on the horizon at a comfortable offset. This determines how skewed the room feels. Then draw a floor rectangle or rectangle base near the bottom third of the page and connect its outer corners to the vanishing point with light lines. Once done, you'll have basic depth guides. Make sure lines are faint so you can refine later without erasing heavily. Now develop the room shell by turning those perspective guides into walls and ceiling. Draw the wall planes by extending the floor to VP lines upward and place vertical lines where corners, doors, and windows will sit. Keep those verticals straight to preserve realism. For the ceiling, connect the tops of those verticals back toward the vanishing point so the top edges recede correctly. Once done, adjust proportions. Move verticals wider or closer to change room width and height. Finish by blocking in furniture as boxes that follow the same vanishing point lines so every object sits in the same space. Once basic shapes are placed, refine edges, add details like baseboards and window frames, and sketch shadows cast toward the VP to sell depth. When you ink or darken final lines, make sure to keep cast shadows consistent. If proportions look off, check for misaligned verticals or a shifted vanishing point. Correct those guides first, then read.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.